Gabi ng Misteryo. Gabi ng Misteryo.
Hello po, ito po si Cara ng Mystic Tales at ang register ng Angkay. Dito ko ngayon sa BGC. Bibenta kami ng crystals ngayon. But anyway, while may free time, I'd like to discuss paano malaman kung anong crystal na bagay sa inyo. So, isang fastest way para malaman is through the chakra system. So, ano ang chakra? So, ang chakra ay ito yung mga energies natin. 7 sila. So, ang root, sacral, solar, plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown. So, pag sinabing third eye, hindi yan yung yung nakakita ng multo kagad. Okay? So, anyway, based on their colors, yun yung fastest way. So, let's say, yung root chakra is kapag kulang ka sa stability, feel mo na parang may kulang sa buhay mo or parang may limiting beliefs ka. Ayan. So, root chakra, ang best stones for that, since ang root chakra ay red, so mga red stones. Pero, black din, good for that. Next, yung sacral, which is yung around dun sa area ng reproductive system natin. So, anything na may reproductive related problems, ayan, mga orange stones yan, yung maganda dyan. Then, ang sunod, solar. Solar is white. Confidence. If feel mo kulang ka sa confidence, then, I would suggest na, ito yung pinaka-famous natin, yung citrine. Yan. Then, next, sa heart. Heart. Usually, alam natin, ang heart is love, yan. But doesn't mean jowa lang. It's also for self-love, self-compassion, yan. So, ang heart chakra is usually green siya. So, any green stones, but also pink, syempre. Yan. So, pink and green stones. Then, sunod, throat. Ang throat chakra is, i-feel mo, hindi mo masabi ang katotohanan, hindi mo kaya i-voice out kung ano talaga na-feel mo. So, pag yun yung na-feel mo, throat chakra, so mga crystals na helpful, like, favorite ko is aquamarine. Ayan, parati may aquamarine ako. Other than birthstone ko, sa kwento. But, it's really helpful na if you want to help your public speaking or say your truth. Ayan. Next. Third eye. Third eye is usually yan yung gusto natin, yung intuition. Kasi madalas, hindi natin nagagamit yung intuition natin. So, anong stones yun? So, if we want yung pang-intuition, that would be any violet and blue. Then, yan, mga pang-intuition yan. Then, finally, yung crown para sa, spiritual consciousness natin. Yan, violet and white. Pero, madalas, ang white stones, other than crown chakra, white stones ay lahat ng chakra. So, ang pinaka-best na beginner crystal that I would actually recommend to everyone is clear quartz. Okay, so now, may incense. So, ready na siya. It's all cleansed. So, set na natin yung intention. So, fastest way is this one. Natutunan ko lang din to sa internet. Mas lalo sa mga hindi sensitive, you can do this. The best way is always visualization. So, hawakan nyo lang yung crystal. Yan. Then, thank you crystal, for giving me inner peace and relaxation. Ayan. So, ramdaman nyo lang, kung hindi nyo na-feel, just visualize na yung intention na gusto nyo is pupunta na dito sa crystal na to. Okay? Once you're satisfied, thank you, crystal. Now, blow 3 times lang. So, be it done. Ayan. So, ready na siya. So, just make sure na yung crystals nyo, walang ibang pwede maghawak kundi kayo lang. And if someone did touch it, so please nyo lang uli. So, madami dyan tools and techniques. Mambabasa nyo yan. But if you want na if you want kausapin niyo ako, you can always message me in my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Hanapin niyo lang ako, Mystic Tales. See you!
Gabi ng Misteryo. Gabi ng Misteryo.